With AI taking over more and more tasks, I keep wondering what jobs are actually safe? Like, which careers can survive all this automation?
Good question. The short answer, careers that lean into human strengths. We're talking emotional intelligence, creativity, ethical decision making, adaptability. If a job relies heavily on those, it's more likely to be AI resilient.
So, jobs that aren't just about following procedures or crunching data.
Exactly. Let's break it down. First off, careers that involve real human interaction and empathy. Think therapists, nurses, social workers, teachers, roles where you need to connect on an emotional level.
Because AI can't really get emotions, right?
Right. AI can mimic conversation, sure, but it doesn't understand human feelings. A therapist, for example, doesn't just listen, they interpret silences, body language, emotion beneath the words. That human presence, still irreplaceable.
Makes sense. What about creativity? Is that still a safe zone?
Absolutely. Creative problem solving and original thought are huge. AI is great at pattern recognition, but not at true innovation. So careers in design, branding, research, content strategy, they need originality, not just output, but insight.
Like a designer who creates something totally new from scratch.
Exactly. AI might suggest layout ideas, but it can't replace aesthetic judgment or the human instinct to break the rules. The same goes for entrepreneurs and scientists. They ask questions machines haven't even been trained to consider.
What about jobs involving decision making? Are those safe?
Many are, yes, especially when they require contextual judgment and ethical reasoning. Lawyers, doctors, journalists, executives, they all make tough calls where there's no clear right answer. And they often need to defend those choices to other people.
AI might assist, but it's not responsible for consequences.
Exactly. A doctor can use AI for diagnosis support, but when a patient is in a gray area, especially with ethical concerns, you need human reasoning. You need someone who can say, this feels right for this person.
Okay, but what about hands on jobs? Are they at risk?
Surprisingly, many physical jobs in unpredictable environments are safer than you'd think. Electricians, plumbers, construction workers, mechanics, robots still struggle with messy, ever-changing environments.
So anything that requires manual skill and flexibility.
Yes, AI struggles with variation. An electrician might walk into an old building and improvise based on years of experience. No two jobs are alike, and that complexity protects the role.
What about leadership and coordination roles?
Definitely important. Interdisciplinary communication and coordination is hard for AI to handle. Project managers, consultants, product leads, they work across teams, balance priorities, and manage dynamics. Those roles rely on political savvy, persuasion, and human insight.
So, even if AI can manage tasks, it can't manage people.
Not in the real world sense. AI can track tasks, but it can't navigate office politics, resolve conflicts, or read a room. Humans still lead when it comes to alignment and influence.
What's the most important skill overall, though?
That's easy. Learning agility, the ability to adapt, evolve, and stay curious. The world's changing fast. Even if your current job is safe, it might not be in 10 years. People who can reskill, pivot, and stay mentally flexible will always find opportunities.
So it's less about locking in a safe job and more about building a safe mindset.
Exactly. The key traits: critical thinking, communication, self management, collaboration, digital literacy. If you've got those, you can move across industries as things shift.
What can people do today to prepare for an AI heavy future?
5 things. Sharpen your human skills: empathy, judgment, creativity. Blend tech and soft skills. A coder who can communicate is gold. Keep learning. Stay up to date with tools and trends. Build strong networks. Human connections open doors. And think like a generalist. Being adaptable matters more than ever.
That's a solid list. So, bottom line, AI is changing work, but it's not replacing everything.
Exactly. The future belongs to people who can do what machines can't. Jobs won't disappear, they'll evolve. And the most valuable workers will be the ones who lean into what makes us human.